What's up YouTube, it's your girl Brilla K here with another video. As you can see from the title, I will be giving you the 5 levels of trading that you have to go through to become a day trader. This is coming from a seasoned trader like myself. At the end, I will be giving you tips and tricks to help you breeze through these levels more quickly. So number 1, the determined learning phase. This phase can be a little complicated. You're learning the words, you're getting your feet wet. Usually you're on a demo account. I hope you're on a demo account. Usually people like to buy a course to help breeze through this phase. A lot of times if you're trying to learn on YouTube, it may be daunting because a lot of the information isn't in order, and that's what a course will do. I bought a course myself. Just pick your favorite YouTuber or somebody you want to trade like. Usually they offer a beginner course. Number 2 is the practice and realization phase. The realization comes from you seeing that it's going to take a lot longer than you probably thought. You're not going to come into trading, find a strategy, boom, you're making money. No, sadly, no. You do realize it's going to take longer than you thought. Usually people find themselves in what us traders call the cycle of doom. The reason this is the cycle of doom is because most people learn a strategy, mess up, lose a lot, and they believe that it's the strategy, but no, you have to get used to each strategy before you can move on to a different strategy. Before you can get used to it, people hop from strategy to strategy. That's called the cycle of doom. That's in this phase. Now the third phase or the third level is the serious mode. In this mode, you finally realize that you need to journal. You're journaling every trade. You're locked in. You're analyzing and learning from your past mistakes. And also you're perfecting one strategy. This phase is where you become new to being confident in your trades. Usually people let their stop loss hit instead of fully letting their take profits hit. If you don't understand these terms, just do a quick little research. That doesn't do anything but hinder your confidence. When you only let your stop loss hit, but you don't let your TP run because you're not confident in your initial analysis. That's where you learn that in this level. Now the 4th level is the break-even level. You're starting to win more trades. A lot of times in this level, people like to get more comfortable. They start breaking their rules. This level, you learn the importance of their rules and sticking to their rules. In this phase, you just need a few minor tweaks before you reach the next level. The next level is profitability, number 5. This usually comes without you even knowing. People in this level are fine with the possibility that their trade may win or lose. They know that they're there. Oh, that's a tongue twist. To seize opportunities. That's all they have control over. Their main focus is sticking to their rules and learning from their losses. They also have smart and comfortable risk management. So a few tips to help you speed this process up. Make sure you have a journal. You're not a trader until you journal. In that journal, you will notice the mistakes that you constantly make. Try to cut that out, tweak it, and you'll be that much better. Make sure you're sticking to one strategy. It takes at least 3 months before you're comfortable with the strategy. 3 months. Don't change within 3 months. Try to get used to one pair, starting off just one. I recommend Euro USD is a good beginner pair. Try to stay away from indices starting off at least. You will know when you're ready to hop into indices. Indices is a little faster. Don't have much room for mistakes. A pair like Euro USD is kind of slow, steady. It'll get the job done. Make sure you're not trying to make thousands and thousands of dollars starting off. People that you see on YouTube that are doing that are usually people that have been trading for a while. They probably started off with lower risk and then they built up. You will know when you're ready for big numbers. If your emotions get a little too high, usually that means bring your risk down. As a beginner, I recommend starting off with a 1-to-2 ratio, at least. 1-to-1 ratio, they can be really nerve-wracking. The amount that you lose will equal the amount that you could make. So that loss, which you're gonna have a lot of losses in the beginning, those losses are gonna be really detrimental to your emotions and your psyche. Trust me, your emotions will thank you if you stick to at least a 1-to-2 starting off. And then my last tip, always be learning. There is always something to learn in these markets. That's why I love it so much. I love learning. I love testing my expertise. Yeah, those are my tips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see next. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, peace out.